Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, we got a surprise here, huh? I found this with a metal detector. I found this with a metal detector. Somehow, it surprisingly had a chain in here, but also, scratch that. Drum roll, please. Some Jordans! What?
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili, or Nighttime Swahili in 10 minutes with
Fresh Bro 7. Fresh Bro 11.
Fresh Mommy. All right, in this episode, we are going to continue learning some of the connecting words because that's what's going to help us make sentences. We hope everybody is doing well and continuing to learn. As always, we request that you like, subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified when we have a new video. All right, Fresh Bros, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You good? Mm-hmm. Okay, scooching all the way. Fresh Bro 10, let the young man. 11. Jeez, 11. Scooch. All right, awesome. So let's get started. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yesterday we started learning some of these words like na is.
And.
Fresh Bro 11.
Na is and.
What is
Ya
ya?
is of. Na is
With.
Katika
is at. Toka is from. Kama is s. Ni is. Ndani is in. Au is or. Hadi is to. Na is by. Lakini is but. Kwa is for. Juya is on. Ju is up. Kama is like. Wakati is during. Kabla is before. Good job. So now we are going to learn some new words. All right. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Awesome. So the next one we are going to learn is kwa sababu.
What is the?
Kwa sababu. There is no the and there is no like a boy or something like that. We don't have that in Swahili. Yeah, we just say boy, or if it's the ball, we just say ball. Okay? That's a very, very good question. All right, so kwas.
Need to penda the video.
Okay, I like that. What is penda again?
Or
Like. No, not kama. Remember we went through that. Kama is it's something is like something, but penda is like. All right. So what is kwa sababu? I need you guys to sit up a little bit for me. I need you guys to sit up for me. All right. What is kwa sababu? Kwa sababu is because. Kuwa is be. Hata is even. Lazima must. Hadi up to. Kuhusu about. What is hadi? There's no 3 hadis. It's only 2. What is hadi?
There's one here.
There's another hadi? No, there's no
hadi.
Hadi is 2. Yeah, true. So another hadi is till.
There's 3 now.
Like when you want to say from here to there, you say from here kutoka hapa hadi pale. Or and again up to or till, they are the same.
If there's another hadi, it beats the record of na.
Yeah. All right. Next word is ndani. Ndani is within.
That's the second.
What about bila? Bila is without. What about ju? Ju is over and it's also up. Good job. What about between? Kati. When I want to say between you two, I would say kati. Yeah.
During or between. You gotta have your finger under it, not on it.
On it. I'm hiding it when I'm on it. All right. So kati is between. What about nyuma? Nyuma is behind. What about kuelekea? That means towards. What about badala?
Backward.
Instead of. Look at the word. What is badala? Instead of. What about pia?
Also slash 2.
Also
slash 2.
also.
Out. It's out.
Huh?
Just kidding.
Also /2.
Pia is also /2.
Also
And what about
/2.
nje? What's nje?
Out.
Out. Good job. What about karibu?
Around.
Karibu is around. What about kupitia?
Though.
Through. Good job. I'm gonna ask
And you
you.
know what jaribu is? Jaribu. This is jaribu. Cause this is some heat.
All right. Now we are going.
Jaribu's try.
Tell me what is because? What's because? What is jaribu?
Try.
Try. It is.
Try the heat.
All right. What is because? What is because?
What is heat?
Joto.
Joto.
No, it's not Joto. This is some heat. Hallelujah.
That's some joto.
Hallelujah.
All right. Awesome. I'm happy that you're happy.
Like I get hot every time I touch the blocks.
Okay. Now, what is because?
My temperature rises because it's kwasababu.
All right. What's B?
Kwa.
Quali.
Kuwa.
Wow.
What is even?
Hata.
Lakini. Oh.
No, actually, and Fresh Bro Saba had it right. What is even?
Lakini.
Hata.
Hata. What is even?
You got it right. Lazima.
We are still in the same word. What's
Hata.
even? Hata. Good job. What's must?
Lazima.
What is up to?
Hadi.
What is about?
Kusha.
Kuhusu.
Kuhusu. What is till?
Hadi. There is
Hadi.
3 hadis.
Good job. What is within?
Ndani.
Good
Ndani.
job. What is without?
Bila.
Good job. What's over?
Mila.
Jube. What's between?
Kati.
What is behind?
Nyumba.
Nyuma. Good job. What's towards?
Kueleka. Kueleka.
Kuelekea.
Kuelekea.
Good job. What is it instead of?
Badali.
Badala.
Dala.
What is
Badali.
what is also all two?
Pia.
Rusty.
Yeah, it's okay. What's
Give
also
up. I'm
all?
rusty.
No, we don't give up because we are rusty. We practice so that we can get good. All right, I can't see you. Come, Mr. Rusty. All right, what is instead of?
Badali.
Badala. He's not. He's saying he's rusty.
said he was
Get over here. Get over here. So that we can unrust you. So that we can unrust you. All right. What is so also all two?
No. Remember this? What is? What are you?
What is also all two? Let's finish up
No,
and then
wait.
you can.
Also and two is Pia.
Pia. Good job. What's out?
Oh, Lakini. Boom.
No, that's not the one.
All right. Let's go. Continue. What is?
Lakini. Boom.
What is out? What is out?
Boom. No, I'm just kidding.
What's out?
Nje.
Huh?
Nje.
Nje. Good job. What's around?
Karibu.
Karibu. What's through?
Kupaita.
Kupitia.
Kupitia. Good job.
I'm rusty
All right.
forever.
Now, let me tell me which ones you remember over here from the ones we just covered, the new ones, or even the old ones. Come back, sweetheart.
The
Come
ones
back.
I know. Na, and na.
Which mean what? Na
and-
means
All I
what?
know is Na and Hadi.
Na.
Yeah, Hadi means what?
And Hadi and Boom.
And na means what?
I know Pia.
Which means?
And I know Kosababu.
And
I know
when-
na, and then I know Lakini is boom.
Lakini
That's
is
the only reason why I remember.
I'm waiting.
Boom. Lakini is Boo Boo.
So what do you know? What do you remember from the ones we just covered?
Na.
Is
I remember.
And with. And was the other.
by.
But yeah, Na. And the other one. Hadi.
I remember 7
Had-
words off the top of my head.
Okay.
Oh,
Hadi is right here.
yeah, Hadi.
Is to and also up to and
8.
till.
8.
Good job.
That's
All right.
I remember 6.
Yeah. Which ones?
I remember 7.
Which ones? Come back, sweetheart.
Okay, I'll come
All
back.
the Nas.
With
All the Stop killing me.
Okay. Can we wrap it up? Let's wrap it up. I want to hear the words that you remember off the top of your head.
What?
Oh, the ones that you remember.
Na is and And na is don't know, system error.
Uh-huh.
I know. Ya is of, ni is. Ni,
Bum is dumb.
ni means is.
Bananas.
Lakini is but. And kwa sababu is before. I mean because.
Because.
And
Come back in the video, sweetheart. We can't see you. We can't see you.
my mother words.
All right, we have a few seconds. Actually, we don't have any seconds. What are your words? Wait, what are your words?
Na and na with na by. Hadi to, hadi up to, and hadi till.
Till. And who remembers what?
And lakini.
What?
And lakini but.
Okay. What's all?
But.
What's all?
Huh?
All.
Ow!
Good job. Very, very good. All right, awesome. We're going to wrap it up over here. Thank you so much for your time. Again, practice every day. The more you practice, the more you learn, and the more you'll be able to start forming some sentences.
You guys like New York?
Watcha means stop.
How do you guys like
Stop.
New York?
Stop.
Have
Okay,
you guys
good job.
ever been to New York?
Have you guys ever been to New York? If you say yes.
No. We're not gonna expose too much.
How was it?
Okay. Can you drop the video?
Subscribe, hit the like button.
Which means?
Subscribe and render this video.
And
Tell us
comment.
personal notifications.
And comment.
Now.
And comment.
Sawa.
Good job.
Now.
Good job.
Oh. Now.
Kwaheri. Asante.
I'm turning up the heat.